videos. I'm going to do 3 little motors here. You're going to come across a lot in life if you ever get into this. Fridge, washer pump, and then this is a furnace blower. So I'm going to show you the difference in between them all in each individual video. So we're going to start with this, and it's going to weigh in at 1 pound 2 ounces. So, you know, and I'm going to make easy numbers here. So let's just say right now this counts as 50 cents in weight. With a little bit of modifications, we're going to do this. And of course, this is ignoring the keep it as a spare part kind of idea. So 2 screws pulled this apart for me. Now we're down to this. And underneath here is going to be a bunch of either copper or aluminum. So we have this here. We have our brass contacts. Now, in order to see what this actually is, we're gonna scuff it to see. You can see the copper coating on it. Apparently I have a dead battery. I guess I have to change the battery, not the tool. See, bloopers happen to the best of us. All right, so if you see, it might be hard in the light, but it is still copper down there, which means that's your premium stuff. So we're gonna just pitch these into our steel bucket. And then now we have this, we have those little ribs of copper in there. A couple ways you can split this. The hatchet's a really common thing because just a whack or two will let you break it apart most of the time. And get that plastic out of the way, which is just trash. Now, I'm gonna take that angle grinder back. Now, how far you ever get into this, like I say, is all up to you and what you're doing. But you're going to shed a lot of weight because you're separating it out, but you're gaining your money. So you're getting less of a much more valuable product. And this will count as Bear Bright in most yards. Some it's #1, but it's a high grade of copper. You don't want to miss too much of it, but you know, if you're going through this effort to salvage it, you want to get every piece. Hand tools and power tools are something you're going to use together. It's never just one or the other, and you're going to find out what works better for you. So some guys Sawzall, some guys angle grinder, some guys snip. Really cool other kind of things we can do. You can see my snips just aren't hacking it here with how fine this stuff is. So we're going to slide into a different style. These red handles are all Knipex, by the way. They're all German tools. They're fantastic. And we're shedding it, and we're up to, you know, 2 ounces. So you can see it's going to take quite a few of these to get some weight out of it. But this just went up 8 times in value by separating it like that. And we still have these little guys right here as part of that coil. So we're gonna make a notch in them. All my tools are just giving me fits. Try and break that away. Work it around, and out they come. Same on this side. And what you're doing too by doing this, if it's your hobby or whatever, you really genuinely are saving the planet by breaking this stuff out and keeping it from going to a landfill. Now we're going to grab a magnet. We're going to confirm this isn't aluminum or anything other. It's just steel. So it's just breakage to go And then your prongs off of it, they don't stick, so they're brass, which is gonna go in another little pile. But you can see here, we've shed it out. All that would equal that 1 pound, 2 ounces in the beginning. We'll get the rest of our shavings over there and set it aside. And that is your fluffy little pile of money. So that's the end of this video, guys. I don't know, like or follow or subscribe, whatever people do anymore. Thanks for watching.